Hi, it's been a while, but welcome to another scrapbooking video. I start by having all my supplies out and printed all my pictures on photographic paper and cut them to size, and selected the prints and scraps I'll use on each page. Pre-planning pages makes it easier, in my opinion. I already know what goes on each page. This way, during my scrapbooking sessions, I can just focus on the creative aspect, rearranging everything until I like the layout, before I glue everything down. There isn't a right or wrong way to scrapbook. If you like a chunky scrapbook, then you can use layers like I'm showing here. Or if you prefer to journal, then make sure you leave enough space for writing. I like having more pictures than writing, and just add little notes at the end. Also, don't be afraid to cut pictures and use all the supplies you have: paper, stickers, cute pens, and washi tapes. Don't save them for the right moment, just use them. These 2 pages are dedicated to my time teaching kids in Vietnam. The fish are drawings they made I kept as memories. Once you've done a few pages and find your style, the process becomes very intuitive. I find it useful to have a theme for each page and use a limited color palette for each one. For example, on the page on the left, I use green because the main picture has a lot of greenery. Here I have some cards my friends gave me, so I decided to create a pocket for it. Envelopes are great for maximizing space and layering, but they do make your scrapbook very chunky. This next page is all about memories with my roommates. Adding the background changes the feel of each page. I decided to use black paper on my food page because it makes the pictures stand out, and I can also use my fun pens to write with. Using maps is always a good idea. It makes your pages look really fun and they're easy to collect. You can get them from tourist travel guides. I kept small cards from some of my favorite spots in Hanoi, and I made this little envelope for it. Finally, I'm adding some notes and extra decorations and stickers. You can write as much or as little as you like. And here is the final flip through. Thank you for watching.